Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into the new Checkmk agent architecture introduced in Checkmk Conference 8, focusing on its significant advancements, particularly the TLS encryption and the benefits it brings. This will be a detailed tutorial with code examples to help you understand and implement it effectively. Understanding the new Checkmk agent architecture. The Checkmk Conference 8 agent introduced a significantly revamped agent architecture that addresses several limitations of the previous versions. The core objectives were: enhanced security, TLS encryption for secure communication between the agent and the Checkmk server. This protects sensitive monitoring data from eavesdropping and tampering. Improved performance, optimized data collection and delivery for faster monitoring cycles. This includes more efficient handling of large data sets and reduced CPU usage on the monitored host. Increased flexibility, a modular design allowing for easier addition of new monitoring plugins and easier customization to specific needs. Configuration management, more consistent and manageable agent configuration, especially beneficial in larger environments. 2. Key features and components. 1. TLS encryption, the most crucial feature. The agent encrypts all data transmitted to the Checkmk server using TLS, transport layer security. This ensures confidentiality and integrity. 2. Modular plugin system, the new agent architecture is based on a modular plugin system. Plugins are responsible for collecting specific monitoring data. Checkmk provides a large collection of pre-built plugins, but you can also create your own. 3. Agent controller, the central component of the agent. It manages the plugins, schedules their execution, collects the data, encrypts it, if TLS is enabled, and sends it to the Checkmk server. 4. Configuration file, check_mk.user.yml. This YAML-based file is used to configure the agent's behavior, including enabling/disabling plugins, setting plugin-specific parameters, TLS settings, certificates, keys, agent version, paths to agent data. 5. Agent updater, the agent now has a built-in update mechanism, if enabled, allowing you to deploy new agent versions and configurations from the Checkmk server. 3. Setting up TLS encryption with the new agent. Prerequisites. Checkmk server, you need a Checkmk server, version 2.1 or later, up and running. Monitored host, a host where you want to install the Checkmk agent. Root access, or equivalent. You'll need root or administrator privileges on both the Checkmk server and the monitored host. OpenSSL, or similar. Ensure OpenSSL is installed on both the Checkmk server and the monitored host. Most Linux distributions have it by default. For Windows, you may need to install it. B. Generating certificates. TLS encryption requires digital certificates for authentication and encryption. We'll use OpenSSL to generate these. There are 2 main approaches you can choose. 1. Generate a dedicated certificate authority, CA. This is the recommended approach for production environments. You create a root CA and use it to sign certificates for your Checkmk server and agents. 2. Self-signed certificate, simpler for testing and small deployments, but less secure. You generate a certificate for the Checkmk server and agents, but it's not signed by a trusted CA. B.1. Generating a dedicated certificate authority, recommended. This provides the most robust security. 1. Create the CA key *. 2. Create the CA certificate *. 3. Create server certificate and key *. 4. Create agent certificate and key asterisk. B.2. Generating self-signed certificates, less secure, for testing. This is simpler, but not recommended for production due to the lack of CA trust. 1. Create server certificate and key asterisk. 2. Create agent certificate and key asterisk. C. Installing and configuring the agent with TLS. 1. Install the Checkmk agent asterisk. Linux, rpm/debian. Download the appropriate agent package from your Checkmk server and install it using rpm-iagent.rpm or dpkg-iagent.deb. Windows download the agent MSI installer from your Checkmk server and run it. Other platforms follow the instructions for your specific operating system from the Checkmk documentation. 2. Configure the agent for TLS The main configuration file is now check_mk.user.yml. Create or edit this file, usually located in /etc/check_mk/ on Linux and C/program data /checkmk/agent/ on Windows. Example check_mk.user.yml, Linux. Example check_mk.user.yml, Windows. Explanation Agent, transport, TLS. This tells the agent to use TLS for communication. TLS, CA_file, specifies the path to the CA certificate file, if you are using a certificate authority. If you are using self-signed certificates, you don't need this option, unless you want the agent to verify the server's certificate. TLS, cert_file, specifies the path to the agent's certificate file. TLS, key_file, specifies the path to the agent's private key file. TLS, server_verification, this option is new, and it's an important security consideration. If set to optional or required, the agent will verify the Checkmk server's certificate before sending data. This prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. If omitted, the default is optional. If omitted, the agent will verify the Checkmk server. Plugins, this section allows you to disable certain plugins or provide config params. 3. Copy certificates and keys if using a CA copy CACRT, agent.crt, and agent.key from the Checkmk server to the corresponding path specified in check_mk.user.yml on the agent host. If using self-signed certificates copy agent.crt and agent.key to the agent host as above. 4. Restart the Checkmk agent Linux systemcl restart Checkmk agent or /etc/init.d/checkmk agent restart. Windows restart the Checkmk agent service using the services control panel. 5. Configure Checkmk server go to your Checkmk web interface. Edit the properties of the host you want to monitor. Under agent, select Checkmk agent/API integration. Important, select encryption, TLS, recommended. Save the host configuration. Activate the changes in Checkmk. Verification. 1. Agent status in Checkmk after activating the changes, check the status of the host in Checkmk. It should show OK with the agent using TLS. 2. Log files check the Checkmk agent log files on the monitored host, /var/log/check_mk_agent.log on Linux, C/program data /checkmk/agent/log/agent.log on Windows, for any errors related to TLS. 3. Packet capture, Wireshark. Use Wireshark to capture network traffic between the agent and the Checkmk server. You should see TLS encrypted traffic on port 6556, or the port you've configured. 4. Configuring agent plugins. The check_mk.user.yml file is also where you configure the agent plugins. Here are some examples. Disable a plugin. Configure the PS plugin, process monitoring. This will only report processes whose name contains Java or MySQLD. You can also filter by PID, user, etc. Refer to the Checkmk documentation for the PS plugin for all available options. Configure the mk_logwatch plugin, log file monitoring. This monitors the /var/log/sys log file for lines containing error or warning and reports them as warnings in Checkmk. Agent Updater. The new agent architecture allows you to update agents from the Checkmk server. To enable this, 1. Enable Agent Updater on the Checkmk server ***. Go to Setup-Agents-Agent Rules. Create a rule to enable the agent updater for the hosts you want to manage. You can specify the agent version to deploy. Activate the changes. 2. Configure agent updater on the agent, optional. You can optionally configure the agent updater behavior in check_mk.user.yml, but this is usually not necessary. The Checkmk server settings take precedence. 6. Troubleshooting. TLS connection errors. Double check the paths to your certificate and key files in check_mk.user.yml. Ensure that the agent user, usually Checkmk, has read permissions to these files. Also, verify that the common name in the agent's certificate matches the host name of the agent machine. Plugin errors. If a plugin is not working correctly, check the agent log file for errors related to that plugin. Make sure the plugin is enabled in check_mk.user.yml and that you have configured it correctly. Firewall issues. Ensure that the firewall on the agent host allows outbound traffic to the Checkmk server on port 6556, or the port you've configured. Certificate mismatches. If you are using server verification, ensure that the Checkmk server's certificate is trusted by the agent. If using a CA, the agent must trust the CA certificate. If using self-signed certificates, you might need to add the Checkmk server's certificate to the agent's trust store, though this is generally not recommended. 7. Important security considerations. Rotate certificates regularly. Generate new certificates on a regular basis, example every year, to maintain a strong security posture. Protect private keys. Store your private keys securely and restrict access to them. Ideally, use a hardware security module, HSM, for storing private keys in production environments. Enable server verification. Always enable server verification, TLS, server_verification, required, in check_mk.user.yml to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. Keep agents and server up to date. Regularly update your Checkmk server and agents to the latest versions to patch security vulnerabilities. Use a dedicated certificate authority. Recommended. This ensures proper trust management and allows you to revoke certificates if needed. 8. Code examples, shell scripts. These are example shell scripts to automate some of the certificate creation and installation steps. Use these with caution and adapt them to your environment. 9. Conclusion. The new Checkmk agent architecture, especially with TLS encryption, provides a significant improvement in security, performance, and flexibility for your monitoring environment. By following this detailed tutorial, you should be able to successfully implement the new agent and reap its benefits. Remember to adapt the examples to your specific environment and consult the official Checkmk documentation for the most up-to-date information. Good luck.